All right, now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to teach you something here. Okay? And this is very important to the use of our tool. Let me kind of clean this nonsense out here. All right? We can find all three faults at the load with one test. Okay? Now, the only three faults that can occur in a wire are open, shorts to ground, and high resistance. Open, no current flow. Short to ground, too much current flow. High resistance, not enough. Okay? This tool is designed to find the high resistance fault. Now, this is going to be a little weird because people don't know this about a meter. But if you notice the meter, if I can get to zoom in here on the meter, notice that the meter is fluctuating and jumping around. Okay, see how you get this 20, 15, 21, 28, 9. Okay, that's called ghost voltage. Okay. Ghost voltage is only visible with an open circuit. So if I go out to my connector to my fuel pump, for example, and I turn the key on and I expect to read 12 volts at the fuel pump, if I see that ghost voltage reading, then that ghost voltage reading immediately tells me I have an open circuit. I don't have to do any more testing. I don't have to go plug in a power probe. I don't have to unplug connectors. I just read open circuit. Okay? So that's going to give me one of the fault indications instantly. The opposite of that is a short to ground, and the short to ground is when something on the positive side is touching something on the negative side, blowing the fuse. Now watch the meter, what happens? Notice that it goes to zeros.
All the way down, yep.
Now it stays at zero. I can sit here and wave this thing around all day long looking like an idiot, which believe me I do at times, but the meter doesn't move. The meter stays at 0, 0, 0 volts. That's a short. Okay? So here's what happens. I go out and I stick my meter into my fuel pump connector. I read system voltage. I don't have an open because I'm reading voltage. I don't have a short because I'm reading voltage. I push the button, the voltage doesn't drop. I don't have corrosion. In that much time, I have just confirmed no opens, no shorts, and no corrosion, and I'm done.